MSI gaming desktops are usually very expensive, but this MSI Codex R2 is the exception, as surprisingly. This MSI Codex R2 gaming PC offers RTX 5060 graphics card, which is good for a gaming PC under $1,000, making it a very interesting pre-built gaming PC that features with Intel i5-14400F chip. Yet, is it worth considering over RTX 4060 GPU? We will find out in this video. First, let's quickly see the specification. Under the hood, MSI added Intel i5-14400F processor designed with 10 cores and 16 threads. This chipset max clocks up to 4.7 GHz, whereas the NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics card has 8 GB memory support. Additionally, it has 16 GB DDR5 RAM and 1 TB NVMe SSD. Overall, the specifications justify the price point as we get similar CPUs at this budget. Yet before comparing processors, let's see gaming performance of this RTX 5060 GPU. At 1080p preset, you can run games like Hogwarts Legacy above 90 frames per second at Ultra preset. Graphically challenging game Alan Wake 2 runs above 60 frames per second at high settings, whereas latest Black Myth Wukong also delivers about 45 to 50 frames per second at very high settings. The Last of Us Part 2 ensures above 80 to 90 frames per second at high settings. Next, Cyberpunk at Ultra runs above 70 frames per second, whereas Doom: The Dark Ages at Ultra preset runs above 65 to 70 frames per second. Next, RDR2 also delivers smooth gaming FPS at favor quality. Additionally, modern game like Assassin's Creed Shadows at high preset with ray tracing and DLSS at quality delivers 60 FPS. Overall, RTX 5060 at 1080p runs most of the games smoothly, whereas you can also run games at 1440p preset, but you have to dial down the settings for better gaming experience at 1440p resolution. Now, let's compare this desktop with other options at similar budget. First, Skytech Nebula Gaming PC features with Intel i5-13400F and RTX 4060 graphics card. In CPU benchmarks, there is not huge difference, as Intel i5-1440F chipset performs similar to 13th Gen Intel i5 chipset, whereas RTX 4060 in raw gaming output still performs similar to RTX 5060. Yet RTX 50 series with latest DLSS 4 can be a useful feature for heavy games, as DLSS 3 is still capable enough for playing modern games. Yet DLSS 4 beats DLSS 3 technology in games. Next, we also have Cyberpower Gaming PC at $1,000 offers i5-13400F and RTX 5060 GPU. As discussed earlier, Intel i5-13400F similar in performance, so you can choose according to budget. Both links in description. Check latest prices. However, other alternative is Cyberpower Gamer Master Gaming PC at $1,200 features with AMD Ryzen 7 8700F and RTX 5060 Ti graphics card. Now for the CPU performance, AMD Ryzen 8700F performs better around 9%. Yet currently, you might end up paying 20% extra. For CPU, however, RTX 5060 Ti is slightly better around 10 to 20%. So, if difference in gaming FPS important for you, you can consider RTX 5060 Ti gaming PC. So, in conclusion, RTX 4060 gaming PC if available at similar budget, and if you are only concerned about raw gaming output without DLSS, RTX 4060 still good option. Yet for latest system at $1,000 currently, RTX 5060 is highly recommended, whereas RTX 5060 Ti available around $1,200, which is better for gaming. But it all depends on if you need that 10 to 20% boost in games. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.